Alright guys, hello! We are staying in a Navajo Hogan. So you first come in, there's some nice supplies here, including dry shampoo, which I say is awesome. This is an AirBNB that we found on AirBNB. Great website, I've stayed with so many places. Little chest set. It's fine. Look at how cute! Little tiny chest set.
Tiny little dice.
Oh my gosh. Cute. Some pots and pans, and then the stove, you keep it burning all night and the smoke goes out the chimney up top. There were 3 beds here. We did bring an extra pad because we had 4 people staying with us, but our hostess left us some flashlights and these really cute necklaces on our beds, which was really nice. Home sweet home. And if you notice, the bathroom here is far, 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 far away. To live on the edge is real for many people here, including the sisters.